Hi, Rick here from Marionville RC, DJI dealer from the UK and RC specialist for over 45 years. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your new Osmo Action into the action. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and support the channel and give me the power to bring you more videos. Okay, so the next stage is we want to get the camera now set up. Now we have our battery in, it's fully charged, so the first thing we want to do is turn it on. Get our power light. So I'll turn that around so you can now see it. So the first thing we want to do is select our language. At the moment there is only English and Chinese, so I'm going to tap on English. And now what we need to do is we need to activate the actual Osmo, and what this will do is, because every Osmo has a serial number, so what this will do is this will assign the serial number to your DJI account. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get the DJI Mimo app. So we need to find Mimo. So first thing we'll need to download the Mimo app. Once you've got the Mimo app downloaded, we also want to open that up. Now make sure that your Bluetooth is switched on, because we will need that. Tap here to connect to the device. Oh, sorry. That has turned off, so we want to get that back on. There we go. Connect. There we go. Accept. We're going to agree to its terms and conditions. Oh, need to turn on the that, and then we can go to the there after. So as I said earlier, what that's going to do is it's going to assign the serial number to your DJI account. Now when you download the Mimo app, one of the first things you'll need to do is actually sign into the app. When you do that, it creates you a DJI account where you can do things like, if you've got a drone, you can sync all your flight records, or you can upload photographs to, etc. Okay, so now I've got all the password in, we're ready to go to log in. Hopefully I've popped that in correctly. I have, and we do have success. Now let's power down again. So we want to confirm our account and we want to activate the device. Right, so now what it's offering you now is DJI Care Refresh. It's just like like an insurance plan that if you lose your device or you break it, they'll cover up to, well, as you can see there, 2 replacements. But we don't want that. We're going to be careful. Notes for beginners. It's just giving you some details on various, like where to put the SD card, power button, just an overview, because I probably just said earlier, it doesn't come with any instructions. That's why we're doing this video. So that just covers all your touch screens, how to do different various things, and then we are done. Well, I hope you liked my video on getting your new Osmo Action into the action. If you'd like to support my channel, you can always like, share and subscribe, and remember to hit the little bell icon, and every time I post up a new video you will get notified. Down in the comments you'll also find a link to purchase the Osmo Action direct from my website if you're in the UK or the EU. If not, there's an affiliate link for the DJI website. It costs nothing to you, but I get a small commission which helps support the channel and keep the videos coming. And I will see you on the next video. So we've got our GoPro, we've got our battery, and we've got our charging cable. First thing we need to do is get the GoPro out of its case. Kind of comes out very similar to the can't believe I just said all that. Twice GoPro. GoPro. Oh, that's what you're on about. GoPro? Yeah. I've got the voice activation activated. We can just say switch screen. Switch screen. You. Switch. Switch screen. Oh, for f***'s sake.
Luke doesn't understand.
No, I've probably turned off voice activation or something stupid like that. No, voice activation's on. Off. On. Have I forgot the switch? Switch screen. Switch screen. Switch screen. Now I can't even remember what the command is. Oh, for goodness sake. Voice control. Command list. Start recording. Screen switch. You... No, it does it because I said it.
No.
Yeah. Screen switch. I said switch screen. Doesn't do it.
Doesn't like it.
No. Right, we'll do that again.